Hello everyone, in this exercise of Solidworks, we will understand the crop view in 2D drawing of the Solidworks. Let's start. First, File, New. First we go in the drawing environment. Drawing and OK. This is the various types of the sheets. I am selecting the A4, A3. There are the various standards you will find here. Okay. I will select the ISO. I am selecting A3. Select, yes, A3. Site of the A3 is 420 width for 297. You can select any sheet as per the size. I am taking part. I have created one part for this part I have created for the crop view. Okay. And I am taking one view. I am taking this view. Okay. And right, I am taking one more view from here. This is the view palette. This task pane, there is a view palette. This is the drawing view, break, and this I am taking back view. This is the back view. I am taking one more view, back view. But the scale is, you will find, scale is 1:5. Okay. Scale is 1:. I am slightly increasing the scale. I am selecting the view, and then left hand side there is a use custom scale. I am increasing the size. This one is 1:2 and 2:1. This one. This becomes this one. In the same way, select this view, and same way increase the size scale of this. And use custom scale, and from here you increase 2:1. Both are 2:1. One is the front view, one is the back view. Okay, you can take the dimension. In order just to explain the things, I am taking the dimension. In this one, when you select the view, this window comes, import annotation, design annotation. You can take the dimension, and this one, this, or you can take from the drawing model view. Model view, you can take the dimension from here also, or the model items. Model items. If select this one, drawing annotation, model items, you can take the dimension, mark for the drawing, not down, import items into all items. This one, yes. Okay, these are the no dimension. Okay, no problem. So these are the two views. You manually can insert the dimension. Actually, there is no need of to put the dimension here. We have to understand only the crop view. So these are the two views. Okay. So in the crop view, first we will have to make a sketch. We go in the sketch. These are the two views. Okay. I am taking this view, annotation, and annotation, sketch. First, for the crop view, we will have to make a sketch. A sketch you can make with the help of a straight lines, or splines. Suppose I take the spline, this one. You can take the lines also. Suppose I am taking one sketch here. This, and this one. Okay, and hit right button. This sketch I have made. Okay, now select this one. This is sketch. And go in the drawing and the crop view. This one. This is the crop view. In the crop view, the selected sketch region, the region which is selected by the sketch, that crops. Remaining portion is crops. Okay. Now, this is the cropped view. Okay. Right click, crop view. Right click, select the view. Select the view. This view. Right click, crop view, and edit crop. Suppose you want to edit the sketch. Okay, how you will edit? Select this line, select this line and these points. These points you, this one, this. Okay, this I have edited the sketch. Okay, now close the sketch. This is the again crops here. After editing the sketch, the crop view becomes in this way. Okay, right click, crop view, remove crop. Now the object comes in the original shape. Now go in the sketch, you can trim the sketch. This one, and okay. Suppose you take the lines. I take the crop view with the help of the lines. Sketch, lines. Suppose this line, this line and this line. Okay, I am cropping only this region. Okay, select this one. Control, select the sketch. Control key, this sketch, this line, and this line. Okay, and drawing and crop view, this sketch. With the help of the lines, you can crop. Okay, now right click, crop view, edit crop. Suppose you want to edit this sketch. Okay, how you will edit it? Go in the sketch, trim, and click this one and this one. Okay, now I am editing the sketch. How I add further lines here? Suppose, for example, this and this. This is the modified sketch. Now I will crop with the help of this sketch. Okay, close the sketch, and this is good. Right click, crop view, remove crop. This way the object comes in the original shape. And sketch, trim, you select this option, trim to closest. Click, and hit right button. In this way you can crop the things only. Okay, again you can take the, suppose I take this one, spline, this one, this and this one. Right click this one and select the sketch, drawing, crop view. This comes here. Now you can note, you can annotation, give the dimension here. This way, and you can give the dimension. In the crop view, selected region by the sketch that crops, so the balance portion is eliminated. Okay, now you can give the dimension, this one and this radius also. In this way you can give the dimension. I hope you will have would have enjoyed in my this section. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.